This is how you can pre-order sealed Destined Rival Pokemon Center ETBs, booster boxes, and so much more. Destined Rivals is the latest set up for pre-order in 2025 and is going to be following Journey Together for a May 30th release date. Destined Rivals is the hot topic right now, combining some of the most beloved eras of Pokemon from the past. It features owners' Pokemon with stunning special illustration rares such as Ethan's Ho, Cynthia's Garchomp, and some illustration rares such as Misty's Psyduck and Ethan's Typhlosion. Not only this, but Destined Rival is also going to feature Rocket after almost 2 decades missing from the Pokemon TCG. It's safe to say the hype is at all-time high in the market, but it's pretty much impossible to get your hands on sealed products for anywhere in the realm of a reasonable price, MSRP. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how you can optimize your chances for pre-ordering products from the Pokemon Center, the official online store for the Pokemon Company. Now, I want to preface this by saying there's no guarantees that can be made, but following trends of the past, this is what we can expect. For Journey Together, the Pokemon Center put up the first wave of pre-release products on Thursday, January 9th, where I actually made a video showing how you could pick up the products on this very date. For context, the next set to be released at the time was Prismatic Evolutions, which was set to come out on January 17th. This marks an entire 9 days in advance, including the release and pre-order dates that I just talked about. This is a general trend in pre-releases on the Pokemon Center website, where about 1 to 2 weeks before the next set releases, another new set is placed for pre-order. We're currently 11 days out from the release of Destined Rivals, and this has everyone locked to their computers, waiting for the drop. So how can you optimize your chances? Typically, pre-orders are put up on Thursdays. Keep an eye out on the website between 8 a.m. and 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, or EST. But to be safe, check in on Wednesday and Friday as well. This will improve your odds as things are quite unpredictable right now in terms of releases. The indicating sign that you're likely about to see Destined Rivals on the Pokemon Center is the queuing message that will pop up on your screen when you're on the website. When this happens, it usually means the Pokemon Company is uploading some stock of new products, and everyone is then queued up to get a chance to purchase the product. This still doesn't ensure you're going to be able to check out at cart, which I've personally experienced with Journey Together and Prismatic Evolutions, but it's the system currently being used and there's nothing more we can do about it, unfortunately. But I wanted to mention as well, if you end up getting on the queuing page, don't leave the tab you're queued up on. That could restart the entire process and put you back at the starting position. Now you know everything necessary to get your hands on the latest set Destined Rivals. I know it's absolutely frustrating to be in this hobby during such a booming environment where things are being scalped and purchased and resold at lightning fast paces. Trust me, it's been no better for myself. I don't have special access to distributors and so forth, so it's been quite frustrating for myself as well, and it's been really hard pressed to get any sort of product for my collection. Hopefully there will be a large enough stock up on the website. Hopefully it'll last around an hour, but that might be stretching expectations at this point. We'll have to see when it actually comes out. And I also wanted to mention as a side note that there's going to be a GameStop Snorlax promo that will be available at your local GameStops on March 28th. The release date for Journey Together. All you have to do is spend $15 on Pokemon TCG products, and then you're going to get yourself the card. Same thing for the Double promo, but this is a Journey Together stamp instead of the GameStop that you see on the Snorlax card. The reason being, it's actually being sold at Best Buy instead. Same rules though, $15. On Pokemon TCG products, you'll get yourself the promo starting on the 28th. So that will conclude today's video, a relatively short one, but I wanted to keep it sort of straight to the point and deliver all the necessary information y'all need. Hope you enjoyed. Check out my video on Heatwave Arena, the Japanese version of Rival Destinies, containing the first half of the set in English. Hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I'll catch you all in the next one.